Umatri korbari jong ka sarkar jala ubak lakman rembui ula ong bakadaw ka jing yo ka HNLC man ring yi ki khanaret shaka seng ka dei namar ba ki don ki yi ki sam ki ba sanjar kar kom sanshare ki khun ba ka don ru ka jing bam kit khli ne ki kimi ki kpa ba ni kala pelong ye ki seng ba ka nyo tanya ki ni ki khna ki brangret madong shpo ka seng man ne ye ki kam pentrim kini kalong ka jing pen pau jong ka je kan du ba ki lat pathai khobor.
Looking at the recent incident, a juvenile is being involved in this. Is it owing to the pandemic? Hence, there's a joblessness, and kids are being swayed and being joined into such kind of activities.
It is not the question of joblessness. If you tell me like that, because when you talk about juvenile, he has not he cannot be employed until he has attained 18 years old above. Number two, most importantly, we have to understand that from what I have seen, that there is some sense of slackness, some sense of indiscipline within our own house only. It starts with the family. So there are many broken family. There are many things. This because to tackle all these social disturbance or anything, you need the social fabric. Bonding should be there. But I have seen that it seems that we, the parent, we didn't dare to discipline our children as was the case before, or we give so much indulgence or thing to them. So this sometimes it's swayed away by this, so to say, other things.